Hi everyone and welcome to another live trading series. It's been a few weeks that I filmed the video, mainly because I haven't been doing anything and I've been losing a lot of money. I'm going to give you a market update. It is Tuesday, February 14th. It's lunchtime and I have like 20 minutes just to give you an update on my SPY puts and what I've been doing in the market and what I'm going to be doing. I haven't been trading much because my SPY puts are losing a lot of money and I'm just kind of sitting and waiting, just wondering what the market is going to do. I don't really know. If we go into TradingView and just take a look at what's happening on the S&P 500, CPI numbers came today. The market doesn't know what to do. It seems to be doing like lower highs, lower lows, like a lot of algorithmic trading. If you want to know, if you want an update on my SPY positions, so I've been using Interactive Brokers. I'll leave a link to Interactive Brokers if you want to check it out. I get a sponsorship on the link. You don't have to sign up. Just clicking the link gives me a little bit of money, a little kickback, which is great if you don't mind. So I'm using their paper trading, which is what I really like about Interactive Brokers. I'm trying to switch over from Questrade to Interactive Brokers permanently, but I had trouble switching since my option positions, they're too close to expiration. So IB didn't accept them, which is fine. I'm just going to try to close some positions now. So maybe I can switch over to IB maybe end of February. So if you take a look at the top, this is not a brokerage, this is paper trading. They give you $1 million to paper trade, which is great. If we take a look at my positions, I'm down $9,000. I'm down $18,000 in total, $9,000 on each. What I did a few weeks ago, I saw the market increase. I thought it would go down. I bought SPY puts for March 17th and June. So I have a month left for March. I have like 3 months left for June, which is fine. I'm going to let these June ones ride. I'm not going to manage. I'm not going to solidify a loss. I'm just going to let them go until I have 100% loss, which is fine. I bought options. I'm not used to buying. I'm not good at buying, clearly. I'm good at selling, and hopefully I can try to sell some more. If you want to know how I came up with this, it's frustrating. It's been tracking this lower high, lower low for a while, minus little blips here and there. So when SPY was like 395, I ended up buying SPY puts, hoping it would go back down, but it didn't. It broke through, and now it looks like it's staying up there. It is pretty frustrating. I know you can't 100% rely on these charts, but it has been moving predictably for a certain amount of time, except when I buy. I can 100% predict the market. If I buy, it'll go down. If I sell, I guarantee if I sell these, if I close these out, SPY will tank. Like it's just the way it works. It's just my luck. As you know, I've been doing Netflix vertical calls. I've been shorting it for a few months. I've been doing weekly shorts, and I might do another one now. Netflix has actually like doubled since they hit their low a few months ago, and I don't know why. I don't know why it's going up so much. They're reporting like losses, but they have more subscribers, which is fine. What can we do? So if I go into my trading activity, you can see the exact SPY puts I bought. So I am down $18,000. This wipes out 2 months of income. So I pretty much lost my January and December income, my options trading income, just because of these. I'm clearly not good at options buying. I'm a lot better at selling. So I have 122 days. Hopefully my SPY puts will come back. I am thinking of doubling down. Like I do think SPY will come back down. So I think I want to buy some more puts, maybe to September. Just try to make back this $9,000 loss just on the March ones. I think the March ones are at a full loss, which is fine. It's part of the game. Just frustrating to see. What am I going to be doing? I'm not going to do any trades on these. I might roll my Apple share. So I have a covered call here, and it looks like it's in the money. Apple is 151, and I sold 152, and these expire in 3 days. So I might roll this out. I try to aim for 25 delta, and at least $100 a month. So I did that for Apple, and then after earnings, they ended up going up, which is fine. I might do another. So if we take a look at what that would be, if we options, Apple. If we look at March, if I do like 160, If I do 160, that's $35. So I guess I'd go 165 to make like $100, I guess. There's not 162.5. So that's kind of what I'd be doing, hoping this would end up expiring worthless. But we can see I'm up $7,000 on Apple, which is cool. So I bought at 75, and I have another one in my TFSA. If we look at Apple, I bought this at 70, so up $8,000 here. Oh, this one's in the money. This one's deep in the money, so I should roll this one out before it gets early assigned. Oh, I didn't actually see that. I thought I sold 155, but I sold 145 for 180. Okay. But doing pretty well on Apple, 8,000 here. 7,000 here, was it? 7,000 here. What I like to do is sell on Netflix spread. So let me just pull that up right now. So we have Netflix. I like to sell a week out and then maybe go. I know it's more of a gamma play because it's like 10 business days. It's 10 days total, maybe like 7 business days. But we do try to look at Delta just a little bit. If we look at like 375, if I go show all, if we do 375 here, 375, it's like 28 Delta. We'd be making a lot. And then buying for protection, because I don't want to sell naked, probably go 395 to make like 2,000. So I have it lined up here, February 24th. I'm selling 375 strike, so shorting it. So this is like an 8% increase over what it's at right now. So what is it? If I move this here, 356 times 1.05. Okay, so this is 5% up from what it's at right now. A little risky actually, considering how much Netflix has been going up. But I'll buy the 395 for protection. And since I'm going 20 strike wide, so you go 395 minus 375 times 1,000, because I have 10 contracts times 100. So my max loss is $20,000, but I would manage this. I wouldn't let it hit $20,000 loss, which it could happen if it increases. Like if it keeps going up, like I might be forced to take a loss, but I probably manage and keep rolling out further in time. So since I'm only doing 7 days, like I do have more time to roll out. And you know, I might be further digging myself into a hole. Hopefully not though. I haven't really decided what to do. I might do this. I might sell this right now. So if we just click sell order, you see this is around 2,200 US. Makes me feel a little bit better about this $18,000 SPY loss that I'm doing. See, I'm a lot better at selling. If you want to pull that up if you want to do the same in what's it called? Interactive Broker. So we'll go Netflix, choose the NASDAQ, and then you pull up the options chain. Again, like I have the trading client, like the trading workstation, but I don't have it rolled up yet. I'm trying to do these videos mainly for beginners, and I feel like that one is pretty confusing. I don't like the user interface, but maybe I'll get used to it eventually. So what you'd want to do, make sure whatever you click on first is like the action that happens. So you click, let's go next week. We'll go 375 sell, and then you go 395 buy. And then you can do 10 here, 10 here. Preview the order. Where is it? Order. Come on. Let's go market. Oh, that's so weird. You want to buy. Preview the order. So then what does it say that I'm getting? Total commission $17,000. What is this doing? This is so hard to use. I clicked sell first, so it should be selling this. A bear put. Sell order. This is so confusing. The order has been submitted. No, I want it to preview. Order. Let me go like this. Oh, I clicked submit by order. So let me preview. How confusing. Total 17,000, amount, sell 10. It's so weird. I don't know how to use interactive brokers. I'm learning right in front of you guys. I'm trying to switch over to them. Sell 375. Oh, I did the put side. Sorry, guys. I should delete this part of the video. Sell. Buy. I'm sorry, guys. I'm doing it right in front of you. Probability of profit, 80%. This is what I should be doing. I'm learning on the fly. Sorry, everyone. So if I buy this, which I think I did it correctly, market, I was doing the call. I clicked on the puts initially. I should be doing the call preview. This should say $2,000. There we go. There we go. Bear call. Commission, $2,000. Nice. Override and transmit. Order ticket. Your order has been submitted. Done. There we go. Now we can go back and see my positions. More items should pop up here, or maybe I could delete the Netflix ones. Order and trades. So here, this is pending. Where are my puts? Oh, I have my bear puts. Let me cancel these. Cancel. Nice. Pending, submit. Modify order. No, order has been submitted. So I guess this hasn't been filled yet, which is fine. You can go back here, order ticket. This is where you submit. If it does populate, we'll see it pull up here, and then I'll start doing on everything on Interactive Brokers. Going forward, I'll start modifying a few trades on Questrade once I can get something further along enough, like days to expiration. I think they need more than 14 days to expiration. Then I can transfer everything over to IB. I'll leave a link if you want to check it out. If you click on the link, it does help me out. I'm going to end it here. Thanks for watching and tune into the next one.